Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina. Today I have a Sew Sampler unboxing. Feels kind of heavy. I'm not sure what's in here. I try not to watch anybody else's unboxing until I get mine. And I don't like to do my unboxing until most everybody has theirs. I don't like to be that revealing everything before anyone has theirs or spoil anybody else's surprise. But let's see what we have. This is January 2025, Embracing New Possibilities, Sew Sampler. And in here we have, they're advertising for the 2025 Designer Mystery Block of the Month, if anyone is interested in that. You can find that on the Fat Quarter Shop. And looks like there's some goodies in here. I'm curious what this might be. There is also 15% off all charm packs. There is another bonus pattern here that I can load if I want to go with this beautiful fabric. But I'm going to start with the needles. So we have Golden Glide Milliner's needles. Retail value on this is, where is it? $4.98 is the value of the needles. And I have a feeling that's going to go with this next thing they have here. Yeah, so we have Hot Cross Buns English Paper Piecing Pack. Here we go. I've never done English paper piecing. I'm not much of a hand sewer. So we have the little pieces in here. We have some little triangles and some of these for English paper piecing. I've never done it before, but I would be very happy to give it a try. Probably be something nice to carry with you if you're going away somewhere, or maybe just driving in a car for a long time. Sit and paper piece, but it looks like there's a pattern on here too. Hot Cross Buns. So let's see. I put these in the wrong side. But we also have a pattern. Hot Cross Buns English Paper Piecing Pack. Value $8.98. It's a Sew Sampler exclusive. It's an all-in-one piece pack. You need to whip up the Hot Cross Buns table runner by paper pieces, complete with precise instructions for cutting, basting, and sewing with paper pieces. It's the ultimate portable project. Grab the piece pack, pattern, fabric, needle, and thread, and you're good to go. So I guess that's probably what I would need to use these for. And then we have another pattern in here. Well, actually, this is the Hot Cross Buns table runner. It's a $9.98 value. If you've been wondering about English paper piecing, here's the perfect starter. Paper Pieces, the go-to for EPP patterns, tools, and goodies, brings you the Hot Cross Buns Table Runner, a beginner-friendly EPP project. Watch their included Learn to EPP videos and follow the pattern to mix up a stunning ombre table runner using the charm packs in this box. You'll be stitching in no time, no sewing machine needed. So, and here is another pattern, Fresh Start. And this is a $9.98 value. This 9-patch quilt design is a breath of fresh air, quick and easy, with a twist that adds a touch of elegance and energy. You're all set with some 5-inch squares and background fabric. It's perfect for using up scraps, but why not dive into the charm packs from this month's box. Give this quilt and your sewing year a fresh start. So, here is the fabric. I really like it. This is my favorite part of these boxes, is the fabric. So this is Sunday Brunch Moda, but I really like this. I love the pattern. I'm going to take it apart so you guys can see the pretty pattern pieces. I'll put it back together. It may not be perfect, but I'll get it back together. Let me zoom in a little bit too for you. So, this is a really, really pretty. I like this. This isn't something I would normally go for, but I do like it. I think it'll look really good with all the other colors. So I think I'll probably use this for the bigger quilt. I'm not much into table runners, but I'll find some other fabric maybe to do the English paper piecing. This is really pretty. I like this. So if anyone likes this collection, you can probably find more of it at the Fat Quarter Shop. But I think I'm going to do the quilt with this material. This is so pretty. I'll just need some background fabric for this. Let me put that cardboard back up on the back. It'll keep it from flopping around. Yellows are very pretty. I'm starting to get into the yellows again. I kind of got away from yellow, but I'm really starting to like yellow again. It's becoming a favorite. Yeah, so this, I'll have to whip up this pattern. I really like it. Alright, there you go. So I got 3 packs of those, but the charm packs are priced at, let's see, oh, here we go, $35.94 is the value on those. So I'm happy with this box. We also have some thread and 100% organic cotton. Canfield looks like the name on it, and it's like a natural color to it. This is probably for the English paper piecing. So the value on that thread is, oh, here we go, $8.48. Born in the Netherlands, Scanfil organic thread is spinning its way into sewing rooms stitch by stitch, boasting the global organic textile standard and OEK something tech certified for standard 100. Scanfil threads are crafted from the finest Supima organic cotton grown in the U.S., totally free of pesticides and chemicals. Preferred by paper pieces for English paper piecing. It's low lint, silky smooth, super strong, and perfect for both machine and hand sewing. So I'm really excited about this month's sampler. I keep thinking I'm gonna not do them anymore and I'm just gonna cancel, but then I have the whole fear of missing out, like what's gonna be in the next box. So I keep getting it. I'm building up my fabric stash, but I like fabric. I'm sure all of you do if you're watching this. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna do this pattern here and get myself some background fabric to finish it. And it says that what else I would need for the lap quilt is 4 yards of background and border and 3/4 yard for binding. So that's what I would need. And then I would need to get the backing also. So just to finish the top, you would need 4 yards of background and border and 3/4 yard for binding. So there's that pattern there. But I like it. I love the fabric. It's beautiful. But and then of course we have the Peaceful Baskets Block 10 pattern piece in here. But I have not been doing those, like I say in every video. I haven't been doing them. But yeah, so that is the box for January. I'll have to put all this away. I am working on a project. I have some fabric all cut. I just need to sew. But here is a sneak peek of the colors I'm using. So I have this color here. And I have this color to go with it. And I have the flowers. So I am working on something. Like I said, it is all cut and ready to sew, so I should have a video out soon for this. But guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't. I'm really close to 1,000 subscribers. I'm hoping to hit that milestone real soon. But again, until next video, thank you for watching.